Hey guys, ano po ang mga sound po ni LYLIA? Nandoon si LYLIA. LYLIA. Basahin po ito. Okay.
It's time to go to the RD show for some fun. Come, let me show you some magic. Adults are so boring. I don't want to grow up. We can be good friends, indeed. You will join me in the adventures, won't you? I'm definitely not a crybaby. Come on, let's play some games, please. You know, magic will deeply connect us all. I should have chosen a game that wouldn't hurt me. See ya! I should have chosen a game that wouldn't hurt me. Hey there, try this. See ya!
Ooh, galing. ML. House baby. Narito po tanan ng mga LYLIA. LYLIA one. Asan po si LYLIA? Dito po tanan. Hindi na po makita. Lapu-Lapu, Edora, Priya, Franco, Gigi, Hilo, Sars, Layla, Natalia. Narito po tanan. No.